We are changing up the paces today and we are going to do a get ready with me. I am going to show you how I got this kind of 70s inspired hair along with this monochromatic glowy makeup. Almost 30, y'all. So I need to start caring about my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and get my skincare routine started.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair.
Sorry y'all, I just had a package come to my door, so I had to go grab that. I put this little robe on to grab the package, and I thought it was kind of a vibe. I like to be a little bit more covered anyway, so. Now that my skincare is done, sometimes what I will do is kind of just spray my face for a little bit of like extra hydration. But now we will move on to hair. The reason why I've been able to grow and repair my hair is because I just stopped putting so much heat on it. Usually throughout the week, what I will do is I will wash my hair, shampoo it, deep condition it, blow dry it out. I'll only flat iron the top portion, the very nape of my neck, the perimeter, and then I'll put my hair in a low bun, and that's pretty much how I'll wear my hair all week. I may then curl my hair once, usually closer to the end of the week, or if I have like a big meeting, or if I want to do a video for you guys, just kind of depends. For the look that I'm gonna go for today, I'm gonna go for more of like a 70s style Farrah Fawcett kind of curl. Okay, so off camera what I did is just kind of pulled half of my hair back and up. And I have the bottom half down. Like I said, I did already blow dry my hair, and I don't really focus on the roots of my hair being super straight. It's a part of the reason why I think I get so much volume. But now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is, or what I have done, I should say, is I've just taken my hair, divided it into two parts, pulled them forward, and then now what I'll do is I'll work on one side and then I'll work on the other side. I'm gonna be curling away from the face, and just because of the thickness of my hair, I'm gonna divide this into, yeah, two pieces. So I'll just go ahead, throw that one back. And it's actually like just a super simple curl that I do. So I'm not even gonna really worry about getting every single piece or making sure I get the root like I was saying before. And all I do is I'm like twisting the hair around the barrel. And when I get closer to the end, I do kind of like to leave the ends out. I like them to be a little bit straighter or not as curly. Then I just unravel and then I pull out like that. That gives me not a super straight end. The end is still slightly curly. And then sometimes what I'll do is I'll wrap them, but today, because I'm just going shopping, I'm not gonna do that. And I'll go ahead and I'll just do the exact, drop something on the ground, the exact same thing to the neck section. So now all I've done is taken out the clip from the top, put it on the bottom so I don't redo those parts. I promise I'm gonna put my phone on silent. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to this top section. Go down the middle. I already put in my part, put these two parts to the front like this. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll like clip this side and then I'll work on this side, which actually I'm gonna go grab a clip to do just that. Okay, so now I have the one side clipped up and away and the phone on silent, thank God, right? So now usually what I do is I will divide this section again into two separate parts. I do not, again, kind of like this very top section, what ends up happening is very similar to what I do to the bottom. I make it more chunky. And then this section that's kind of in the middle, that's the section that I focus a little bit more of my energy on. I'm just over here dropping everything. I'm gonna go ahead and I just kind of spray this section with my Firewall. Then I'll take my comb and just comb that product through my hair. And then I can just run my fingers through and I can kind of know whether or not I need more. If you don't need more, don't put more. Because I want that volume in my hair, like I said, and I do start about, you know, a third down the hair shaft, a third of the way down the hair shaft, because I want the roots to lay a little bit flatter without me having to, what's it called, flat iron all of my hair. Although I do have the flat iron here in case I need it. Oh my God, oh my God. Yeah, I think 3 sections is gonna be perfect.
Super bass got boom, boom. Got me dead live on Kurt Cobain, boom, boom. Sit bass, that super bass got boom, boom. Got me dead live on Kurt Cobain, boom, boom.
In this section, I usually do use both my flat iron and my curling iron. The first thing I do is I section off, you know, a little portion of the front here, because this section is going to be kind of like the bangs section, or not kind of the bangs, they are the bang section. So I do section that off. I feel like my hair needs a little bit more heat protectant here just because it is closer to the root. Then usually what I do is just take like a rough section of the top, flat iron, just to flat iron that section quickly. I know you should only do one pass. Perfect. And I'm just, my mirror's over here, you guys, I'm so sorry. I don't really have a setup for videos like this, although I got so many votes on my Instagram page, so I did a vote between, would you rather see 2021 fashion trends or a get ready with me? Now, the 2021 fashion trends video won on my Instagram poll, but you guys, there's so many votes for a get ready with me that like I couldn't not do it. So here I am filming the get ready with me. Then I'm going to film the fashion trends. Then I'm going to go out and hopefully buy some of those trends and then come home and film an unboxing of the, it's just a lot of filming, you guys. I'm trying to batch some content right now, so, because it's a little bit slow for me right now at work, although I know that once it gets busy, and I want to be consistent, you guys. Like I said, I am uploading 2 videos a week. I did miss one video, don't hate me, but I am trying to be as consistent as I possibly can. I don't know if you guys know, but like I do have a full-time job. I do also have my own little marketing job that I do. So like Instagram stuff, social media management for a couple of businesses. Then now I'm also doing the YouTube thing, and I also share sales on my Instagram. So, you know, I'm juggling. I have a lot of balls up in the air at this point in time, which I actually really enjoy. I actually have some really exciting news for you guys about work, which I can hopefully share with you guys soon. Also, comment down below and let me know what other kinds of videos you guys want to see from me. I'm open to pretty much sharing anything. I'm going to be traveling in a little while, so I'll be sharing some like travel vlogs. And of course, while I travel, I always try and hit up a mall, see what kind of deals I can find, or if there's any things that I can't get here in Canada that I could pick up. So, you know, you gotta stay tuned for that. Okay, let's go. We are flying. Okay, so this piece, I just don't like the way the end looks, so I'm just gonna go through, and all I do is just like pull it. That looks better. If you wanna keep your edges in your life, stop like using a hot comb on them to like slick them back, or all of this like alcohol-based gels and all of that. That's why you guys don't have edges. Come on. And if you're gonna do it on a special occasion. Like me going to the mall is not a special occasion, so I am not slicking down my edges. I'll make sure the top of my hair is flat, and if you guys see a little bit of my roots, I'm not gonna say it because it's rude, my roots, then that's y'all's problem, not mine. So for this section, I usually curl it in like this. And that's kind of what gives me that curtain bang shape. But to make sure that I get that shape, I just kind of, ooh, it's hard to do on camera, especially when the mirror's on the other side. I just kind of take this section here, pin it back. Oh, where'd my pins go? Let me go grab a pin. I usually have a pin for this very thing. I think it may be just a little bit too curly. So what I'm gonna do is just run my flat iron, run my fat iron. We'll see. Hopefully that's a little bit better. But then, like I was saying, I just do like this. And I pin this section back, but like with a swoop. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I pin the section back with a swoop in it. It really does help kind of like shape the bang. If my bangs aren't really working for me, or if I can't get that shape with just the flat iron and the curling iron, then what I will do is take a round brush and get my blow dryer, and it doesn't even, the heat just has to be on low, and I just kind of work it until I kind of get the shape I want. So in real time to do the other side, it took me approximately about 5 minutes, just over 5 minutes. And here I want to show you how I kind of set that piece back. I'm just gonna kind of tap right here. Tap, tap. And tap, tap in there. Just because it was a little bit too much. So again, I take this section, I just kind of pull it back, let it have kind of that natural shape that I want, and I pin it back. Perfect. Now remember, I have that clip at the bottom, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take that out. Do not brush your hands through the curls, do not play with curls, don't do anything.